welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you something. Right? And first, you might be asking, why am I going to camera? Wait, not this. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. Let me come here to messenger. I'm making very. So here's some of two of the baby ducks that we bought today. The one which is completely yellow, like whitish yellow, is my brother's, and the one that is black and yellow is mine. Their names are Sophia and Farhan, from royalty family for some reason. And this one is my pet bird that we also got today. Her name is Sarah. She is tamed and she's at home right now. When I get home, I'll try to show you it. So yeah, it was a short video, but bye guys, don't forget to subscribe.